I did some research. Oh, I gotta run up and grab the key quick. But
Okay.
just a sample of the fuel that I pulled out from
What's the type of fuel that you're using?
Premium.
Want to just show me what's going on
So this,
with it? Yeah, it's like trying to get fuel.
I did some research.
Well, one thing I'm going to do quick is pull the plugs out, see what that looks like. And then I'm going to pull this cover off and just see. I do have a new filter.
Okay.
I do have a new pump. Looks good. We're really not getting anything out of that pump. Oh, hell yeah. It's starting to go.